Alright, Kale, welcome to SnapMath. You sent this problem. It's a volume problem, and what this shape is actually just a cone cut off. So there's actually two things right here that we're going to take the volume of. We're going to take a volume of a small cone, and the shape that we want is the continuation of the big cone right here. So we're going to find the volumes of the small cone and the big cone, and then minus the small cone to get the base area or base volume of that. So what we want to do is we're actually going to draw triangles right here. So this is going to be what the side profile of these two cones are going to look like. So we're going to take the radius as the small one is 12. The radius of the big one is 18. We need to find this height, which we can. So if this whole thing is 18 and we minus 12 from that, this little part right here is going to be 6. And then this big part is going to be 10. And to find this part right here, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So 6 squared plus x squared equals 10 squared, where it's 36 plus squared equals 100. So x squared equals 64 and x equals 8. So this is 8, so we can actually put 8 right here. So now to find the heights of these two respective cones, we actually need to do similar triangles here. So we're going to use this side right here. We're going to put the small triangle over the big triangle. So 12 over 18 equals, so the small triangle is going to be x, is what we're trying to find. We're trying to find this side right here. And the big part is going to be 8 plus x. And then we do our algebra to solve for x, so 12x plus 8 times 12 is 96 equals 18x. Then we minus 12 from 12x from both sides, so 6x equals 96. And then we get this, we get this to come out to be, I believe, 16. So x is 16, so we can write that in right here. So now these lengths right here are going to be the heights of our cones. So the height of the small one is 16, and the height of the big one is 24. So first we're going to find the area or the volume of this entire thing, and that's going to be the area of the base, which is, so we'll say big cone, is the area of the base, which is 18 squared, that's the radius, pi, times the height, which is, what do we say, 16 plus 8 is 24. And then this is a cone, so we're going to divide it by 3. And then the little cone is going to be the same thing, right? Here's the radius of the little base, and here's the height. So 12 squared pi times 16 over 3. So now, just to get the volume we want the big cone minus the little cone, and we'll actually get this right here, this shape, which is what we have from the beginning, right? So now, if you plug these into your calculator, this will equal 2592 pi, and we're actually going to just do it in pi right now, and then at the end we'll put it into our calculator in the decimal form. And this is actually 18, well, if you minus these two together, you minus the big one from the little one, little cone, let me put it into my calculator quickly. 12 squared pi times 16 divided by 3 equals, okay, yeah. And then this is 768 pi. Now, finally, we'll do each minus each other, and this is actually going to come out to equal 5,730.3 units cubed. So, Kale, I hope this has helped you, and I hope that you will come back with more questions to SnapMath. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.